Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the repair safe. Unplug the speaker and wait a minute so capacitors discharge. Once done, remove grills and panels to expose drivers and wiring. Use a multimeter to check fuses and continuity. Replace any fuse rated 0. 55A as appropriate. Make sure grounding and external cables are intact and label each connector for reassembly. If you see corrosion or brittle wires, plan to clean or re-solder those joints before moving to driver-level diagnostics. Now you diagnose the core components. You'll test each driver with a multimeter and an audio source, check impedance and look for near-zero shorts or infinite opens, which indicate failure. Once done, remove the crossover and test capacitors for ESR and coils for continuity. Replace failed parts with same values. If the tweeter or woofer shows mechanical rubbing or no movement, inspect the surround and voice coil. Use a refoam kit or recone the driver if the suspension is damaged. Reassemble the cabinet carefully and make sure you reconnect the wires you labeled. Once reassembled, run calibrated test tones and sweeps between 20 Hz and 20 kHz and listen for distortions, rattles, or missing bands. Make sure drivers are in phase and the crossover behaves as expected. Adjust speaker placement and input levels. If things still go wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Swap the amp or input source to isolate whether the problem is upstream, and use shorting plugs to test each.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.